recording the sewer line here at
Like 4208. Here.
Yeah.
Here. It should be on the side right here on the garage.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right here, the address.
What's the main street?
16th.
Oh, 60th Ave West. 14508 60th Avenue West, Edmonds. Dates April 20th, 2020. Recording this from the newly installed cleanout just outside the foundation that we installed today, Monday the 20th. What we're looking at is the Edmonds City main line. We're about 80 feet out, give or take, and we're going to come back from here. I've zeroed out the footage. We're going to pull the camera back from here. This is the main large diameter pipe, Edmonds or Alderwood Water District responsibility. Coming back towards the house now. So come back slowly, please. A little faster than that. So that's 6-inch concrete pipe that we're looking at here. There's a bell every 3 feet. So the bells are the seams in the pipe. There's a seam there as we go back. You're going to see them just about every 3 feet as you come back. So there's another one there. So I'll have to bone up on my Alderwood Water District knowledge, but from my understanding, the homeowner is responsible up until the property line, where the transition goes from 4-inch sewer line to 6-inch. So right now we're in 6-inch sewer. Just got a sludge on the top of the screen. Hold on, pause it. I'm going to pause the screen and get some water running down there. Try to clear off the screen. Alright, we got a little stuff on the camera. We got it washed off. Now we're going to come back. So keep coming back, please, Abdi. So we're still on the 6-inch concrete line. We washed off the camera lens so you can see what we're looking at. So you see the bottom of the pipe's kind of aggregate. That's from quite a bit of sewage going a little bit. In. Some kind of cap coming down into the line. Looks like maybe an old line got capped off there.
Mechanical plug.
Top part of the screen, yeah, they put a mechanical plug in there. Anyway, coming back further, we're jumping out of the 6-inch now into 4-inch. Right here, stop. Go in a little bit. Jump over that. All right, right there is the 4x6 transition. So everything coming back from here is going to be the responsibility of the homeowner. As far as I know, the 6-inch is at the property line, is where we're coming back from Alderwood Water District's responsibility, coming into the homeowner's responsibility. So coming back from here, so you see pretty big seam right there in the pipe. That's where the major root was going through that clogged it. The pipe's splitting apart at this point, so definitely going to need to be addressed at some point. Going to likely just have to dig it up at that spot in order to get down to the pipe and make a proper repair there. So come back slow from there, Abdi. Alright, go in a little bit. Just a little bit. So you still see some root coming in there. You do too much jetting in that section and you risk more damage to the pipe. So we got the majority of that root out, but that's about a 3-inch gap in between where those two pipes should be sealed together. So that needs to be addressed. Keep coming back, Abdi. So we're in 4-inch concrete line now. This is coming back towards the home. And again, pretty aggregate old concrete pipe, but it's about to be expected. Coming back, okay, go forward a little bit, just show the repair. So we made a repair here with the new SDR 35 plastic pipe coming back from the concrete line, sliding right back into our clean out. So here was clean out coming up, and I'm going to end the video there, do a little bit of locating and try to find where that crack in that seam is. So there's our access point. That's our new repair you see there on camera, and I'm going to end the video.